Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to tell if someone blocked you on iMessage on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you are using latest iOS 18 on your iPhone and if you want to check whether someone has blocked you on iMessage or not, if you want to know about that, how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to general again, and this time you have to simply click on software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the iOS on your iPhone. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply go to apps, and here you have to simply look for messages option here. So here you have to simply click on that, and here you have to simply make sure that you have connected your Apple ID with the iMessage. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply check for that setting. So here you can simply see that that toggle is turned on, which means you have activated the iMessage. Now what you have to do next is you have to simply open the iMessage, and after that you have to simply look for that person. And here you can simply go to the text message, and you have to simply send the text message to that person, and you have to check whether that person replies to you on iMessage or not. Moreover, you can also turn on the RCS messaging on your iMessage, so that you can simply get the uh, reply from the person. If that person sees your message, that means the person has not blocked you. Moreover, you can also call that person. If that person attends your call, then you can check whether the person has certainly blocked you on their contact list or not. So in this way, you can simply check all these settings. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.